Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play 3 Days by Jane's Addiction. First, let's dive into the iconic main riff. This song uses a specific tuning, so ensure your guitar is set up correctly before we begin. Pay close attention to the rhythm and timing, as they are crucial for capturing the song's feel. We'll break down each section step by step, making it easy to follow along and master this classic track. Now, let's move on to the verse and chorus sections. The verse features a distinct chord progression that builds tension, leading into the powerful chorus. We'll analyze the strumming patterns and chord voicings for both parts. Mastering the transitions between the verse and chorus is key to a smooth performance. Practice these sections repeatedly to ensure seamless flow and dynamic contrast throughout the song. Next, we'll tackle the bridge and explore some techniques for the guitar solo. The bridge offers a change of pace, with a unique melodic structure that adds depth to the song. For the solo, we'll discuss different approaches to improvisation and how to capture the original's essence. Focus on incorporating expressive bends and vibrato to make your playing truly stand out. Remember, practice makes perfect for these more challenging parts. To truly master 3 Days, consistent practice is essential. Always use a metronome to develop precise timing and rhythm. Don't be afraid to experiment with different guitar tones and effects to find what sounds best to you. Remember to check the description for links to other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It features voice control, self-emptying, and is pet-friendly, making your life much easier. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing this song like a pro in no time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.